Kashmir. Kashmir was always a dream for me. Nestled in the northern crown of India lies Kashmir, often called paradise on earth. It was a dream come true being here, even though I caught a bit of a cold and eventually got sick after coming back. But the trip was surely worth it. When I visited Kashmir this year, it was just before the Pahalgam attack and it did scare me quite a bit. But Kashmir is beautiful. It almost feels like you are in a Bollywood movie scene when you visit those familiar valleys that you have often seen on TV and films. It took me a long time to make this vlog because of the tensions spanning the landscape after the attack. Of course, I did not visit South Kashmir where the attack happened. We were mainly in the north. It was extremely magical to see such beautiful mountains and landscapes that I have only experienced on TV or films and not in real life. Kashmir calls to the ones who want to experience the beauty of heaven, not just mountains. It is filled with the abundant beauty of nature that is hard to find anywhere else in the country. Kashmir is for the travelers, for the mountain lovers, and for the ones who love nature more than anything else. Dal Lake, our very first stop. The crystal clear water mirrored the mountains above and gave it a touch of heaven on earth. It is no lie that it is actually heaven on earth. No wonder our film industry's obsession with the place is very old. So this is where the Bhumro song was shot from Preeti Zinta and Ritik's movie Mission Kashmir. चुपके से सुन इस पल की धुन भी यहीं शूट हुआ था आई थिंक इट इज़ फ्रॉम द लेक ओनली.
Which leads you to where?
चुपके से सुन इस पल की धुन, इस पल में जीवन सारा सपनों की है दुनिया यही, मेरी आँखों से देखो जरा. चुपके से सुन इस पल की धुन, इस पल में जीवन सारा सपनों की है दुनिया यही, मेरी आँखों से देखो जरा. आशा के पर लगे पंछी बनके मैं उड़ी, जिनका
सपनों की है दुनिया यही, तेरी आंखों से मैंने देखा।
चुपके से सुन इस पल की धुन।
I had long dreamt to see Kashmir, and today was truly a magical day for me. It started raining outside as we sat in the restaurant. The view was amazing, although it was a bit dark now. I love visiting new places and have new experiences as it gives me a sense of joy and peace. I love to travel, and it is my privilege that I have been able to travel wherever I could. I'm very grateful for it. Traveling opens up my mind and helps me soothe my mental health. It is sometimes tough to adjust in new places and new climates, but it is worth to experience it. The dogs here were very healthy. I think they get a lot of chicken here. Anyways, it was real nice to see them. So, after a while, after I ate everything, I wrote for a few hours in this cute little notebook that I got from the market near the tulip garden. And I started writing about my day and everything that I liked and everything that I didn't like, and how I felt about being in Kashmir, which was my long standing dream for a while now. often travel with my dad. He knows I love to see new places, and hence we plan something like every few months. And Kashmir was one of those plans. It gives me a sense of belonging with the world when I travel. It's something that enriches my soul and मुझे नए पर्सपेक्टिव्स पता लगते हैं, मुझे काफ़ी कुछ पता लगता है जो मुझे पहले नहीं पता था. आई लाइक सीइंग हाउ पीपल लिव एंड द कल्चर्स दे थ्राइव इन and what their daily life is like. So it's a lot of fun to travel and learn new things and gain new perspectives. Our next stop was Gulmarg. So this is us on our way to Gulmarg and this is the beautiful scenery. सच में सीनरी बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर थी जो रास्ते में आई. इट वाज रियली नाइस टू सी those kind of things that I have already only seen on the TV.
Yavaş yavaş.
I really hope they are okay and happy and are well taken care of. लात तो नहीं मारेगी मेरे को. So by this time I was feeling very feverish. मुझे बुखार लग रहा था और मुझे काफ़ी सर्दी भी हो गई थी. I enjoyed it, like I forgot about my symptoms जब मैं बर्फ़ देख रही थी, but it was catching up to me now. And I was like कि पता नहीं कब तक I will be able to hold on, and you know how will I cope up with all these feverish symptoms. But anyway, the view was very amazing. As you can see, हम जब नीचे आ रहे थे, and a lot of things, the horse guy told a lot of things to us about how he often encounters lions and tigers. और lions usually कुछ नहीं बोलते अगर वो भूखे नहीं होते, but tigers, they can, you know, they can really kill you if they spot you. It was something like that only. And काफ़ी कुछ हमें बताया. So we explored a lot of stuff. The stream was the most beautiful thing I have seen on the mountains. पानी बहुत ठंडा था इसलिए मैंने हल्का सा एक बार हाथ लगाया, but I did not touch it any further. It was very very cold, but it looked so pretty. So now we are back down. हम नीचे आ चुके हैं, and यहाँ पर ही वो जगह है जहाँ पे GRA सॉन्ग की शूटिंग हुई थी. यही वो जगह है. And there's another temple here जो एक बहुत फेमस बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग में फीचर हुआ था. That is जय जय शिव शंकर. If you have heard that song, वो टेम्पल थोड़ा सा ही आगे है. I will just show you now. So people here live a very like village kind of life, and I think it's really, you know, something that we should all experience once in our life, because they are like doing so much hard work. And the guy who was taking us along with his horses, he does this every single day, and he climbs, you know, along with the visitors, the tourists. And he was telling us a lot about how he has got a dog and everything, and I told him about my dog, and he also told how he is so connected to nature. Like his stories, his words were like very much, I felt ki how much connected he is to nature, you know. So that was very beautiful. Okay, so that's the temple there. वही गाना जय जय शिव शंकर राजेश खन्ना का गाना है जो 1974 का वहीं पर शूट हुआ था. द टेम्पल लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल एट नाइट, लाइक द गोल्डन लाइट एंड एवरीथिंग. इट्स वेरी प्रिटी. ओके, सो यार हमारा डे 2 ख़त्म होता है. मुझे काफ़ी फ़ीवर था, मैं बहुत थक गई थी, इसलिए मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ वापस जाते हुए ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बनाया. बट I did make sure that, you know, I was rested enough when I went back to the hotel. मैंने medicines भी ली, and काफ़ी ज़रूरी था मुझे आराम करना, अदरवाइज़ मेरा फ़ीवर बढ़ जाता. सो या एंड हमने बूट्स वगैरह जहाँ से लिए थे माउंटेन के ऊपर आते वक्त, हमें वो वापस करने थे जाते टाइम, और वो हमने वापस किए. और उसके बाद वी वेंट बैक टू द होटल विच वॉज इन श्रीनगर. So here we are having breakfast in Chashma Shahi, and हमें अब चश्मा शाही गार्डन देखना है. This is an amazing view from the garden. ये बहुत ही सुंदर था. As you can see, a lot of tourists, like a lot. And this was the day when the Pahalgam attack happened as well. This was the day we were going to go back. हमारी flight थी like 4 या 5 बजे की. And we were going to go back, and we had no idea that, you know, such a big thing had happened. You know, and I was just enjoying myself totally with my mom, and I don't know what this place was. ये कोई जेल जैसी जगह थी, I think पुराने ज़माने में जो जेल जैसा कुछ था. That's what I, you know, comprehended. from this. मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही थी, सो मैंने एक दिन पहले ही ये नए कपड़े लिए थे 2-3 because I had not brought a lot of sweaters and coats with me because it was a very spontaneous plan. We had gone to a wedding in Jammu और वहाँ से मुझे नहीं लगा था कि हम कश्मीर जाएंगे, but it was an impromptu plan kind of. So yes, that's also a reason I got sick, but yes, it was worth it of course, and thankfully we did not go to South Kashmir. और पहलगाम का नाम मैंने इससे पहले ऑनेस्टली कभी सुना भी नहीं था, सो वहाँ जाने का हमारा कोई प्लान था ही नहीं. Anyway, this is the Chashma Shahi garden. The views, the peace, the greenery, amazing.
वक्त चलता है वक्त का मगर रंग उतरता है आखिरा उड़ते उड़ते फिर एक मैंने पकड़ लिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया 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 रे जिया रे जिया ओ जिया रे जिया रे जिया जिया रे जिया 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 रे जिया रे जिया
Okay, so it's time to head back home. Finally, हम जब रास्ते में आ रहे थे, my mom started watching the news on her phone, and then you know what happened. She was panicked, and जब हम बैठे हुए थे एयरपोर्ट पर जहाँ पर बहुत भीड़ थी. So this was the Kashmir vlog, guys. मैंने बहुत enjoy किया. I enjoyed a lot, and I saw it for the first time. So obviously मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited थी, but मुझे नहीं पता था that such a big incident would happen at on the last day. And but the good thing was that since we booked the flight, क्योंकि road जम्मू की block थी, so we had to go from the flight. We saw the snow mountains from the sky. The view from the flight was amazing. I think they were the Himalayas, as my mom said कि ये Himalayas हैं, that we could see from the flight. So my dog was very happy as I got home. उसको मीट के साथ छोड़ा था and वो 2 दिन अकेला था. He is very happy seeing us and very excited as always. Ginger becomes very excited whenever we come back after 2-3 days. Well, he becomes excited always. He's very happy and it was worth it. I really hope you like this vlog, guys. And please let me know if you want to see more of these kind of vlogs, and